Hey everybody, welcome back. You guys probably saw in my previous video, my Mustang EcoBoost is kind of broken, but I'm gonna be unboxing this new modification on the car. I did ask the EcoBoost forums for the P0420 check engine light, and most of you guys recommended to get a defouler, which is kind of like a spacer for the O2 sensor and the cat. People said they had that light, and once they put that on, it kind of went away. So a lot of people were saying that the check engine light doesn't really matter. I would think that's correct, but as you guys seen in my previous video, once I floored the car, it cut all the power and it went on limp mode, which was super weird. So my theory on that take was that I'm pretty sure my cats are clogged up. There's an option of getting like a bright red sway bar. I was like, no. This looks a lot better. I like the black. The bright red is not even gonna suit the color of my car. Oh dang, it is quite heavy. Not that heavy, but anything else? I've seen a lot of pictures that compared this sway bar to the stock one, and this one seems a lot girthier and they say it weighs a lot more. Not good for the weight of the car, but will help it to handle a lot better.
1 hour later.
We're gonna be working on my daily Avalon. You guys probably already know I have a few things to do, including these new brake pads. This is my first time doing brake pads, so it's good to learn and you could save a lot of money. Trying to take one of these bolts out. You probably see it on either on the bottom or on the top, I believe. You can remove this bolt and you can open it up like a clamp, and then the brake pad is right there in between. I think I might need a breaker bar. So as you guys can see, the breaker bar was not working. I barely had space and the bolt was barely moving. These are so freaking tight. I'm pretty sure I spent about 30 minutes trying to take this off and I just gave up. It was 104 degrees that day. I'm not even trying to make excuses, but not having a proper tool like an impact gun, it makes everything difficult. Okay, I don't even know why I included this clip, but you guys can see how basic my tools are. I'm not saying that hand tools are bad or anything, but the impact gun would have helped to get through tighter spaces. That's what she said. Good morning everybody. It is really early at the moment. It is about 7:30 and I'm heading over to a car meet. This one's gonna be huge. It's like always the big ones on Sunday mornings. I'm gonna go check it out. Smaller than a Miata. It's evil, and then you see RS6s. God damn. Goes. Man, this is actually what I need.
I need